Hello everybody, this is Tina from Tina's Messy Crafty Life. How are you? I hope you're good. I am here with a prize that I won. I won 5th prize from ManDaLee Cards and More. It was her 50th birthday giveaway 2021. So, oh wow, I'll have to save that. My grandkids love popping these, so I'll save that. So, I won 5th prize. And let's see. There's a little card. It says thank you. It's really pretty. And it says, Tina, thank you for helping me celebrate my 50th birthday. Congrats on winning 5th prize. I can't wait to see if you attempt to alter the cigar box. Enjoy. Happy crafting. Hugs, Darlene. Okay. And this is what I won. We'll start with this. I won the planner stickers that the Dollar Tree had. So that's kind of cool. And then the holiday one. I'm sorry guys, I don't feel good, but I wanted to do this. Yeah. That's cool. And the cigar box. Awesome. Oh, I mixed it up. No, okay. I do. It's a nice cigar box. And yes, I will be altering it. Nice. And you can take this out if you want. Awesome. Yes. So I will be altering this. I want to thank ManDaLee Cards and More for the wonderful prize. I will have her channel linked in the description box below. So go over and check out her channel, everybody. As always, be happy, be kind, be safe, be funny, be crafty, and bye for now. Bye.